In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw from UniSwap. By the end, you'll know how to use UniSwap to swap into the token you want, and then send it out from your wallet step by step with tips to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening your browser and going to the official UniSwap app. Once it loads, open the trade section. This brings up the swap interface, which is where you can prepare the token you plan to withdraw. If the token you currently hold isn't the one you want to send, select the swap option. In the sell field, choose the token you have. In the buy field, pick the token you want to withdraw. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct network and that there's enough liquidity for your pair. If you see a price impact warning, consider swapping a smaller amount or a more liquid token. When everything looks good, click Swap to proceed. You'll be prompted to confirm the transaction with your wallet. Choose MetaMask. If you're not already connected, MetaMask will prompt you to connect and then show the transaction details, including gas fees. Review them carefully and approve. Wait for the swap to confirm. You can watch the status in your wallet or the UniSwap interface. Once the swap is complete, it's time to send your funds. Open the send function. If you're using the UniSwap interface's wallet prompt, continue there. Otherwise, you can open the MetaMask extension and use send directly. Select the token you want to transfer so you don't accidentally send the wrong asset. Next, enter the recipient address. This could be another wallet you own or a deposit address on an exchange. Always double check the entire address and make sure it matches the network of the token you're sending. Pasting the wrong address or sending to an incompatible network can result in a permanent loss of funds. If you have a saved address book entry you trust, use it. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Leave a small balance of the network token in your wallet to cover gas if needed. Review the estimated fee and the final total you're sending, then click Continue. Your wallet will show a final confirmation screen. Verify the token, the recipient, and the network one more time, then approve. After you submit, wait for the transaction to confirm on-chain. You can track it in your wallet or on a block explorer using the transaction hash. Once confirmed, your withdrawal is complete. That's the full process from swap to send, safely and confidently.